Hey everybody, Jeff here with a quick review of how to share an artifact from your Google Drive. So let's go ahead and get a new document started. And I'm going to title this document Test Doc, because in order to share it, you have to have a name on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is click the share button. And for those of you familiar with Google sharing features, you'll notice it's a new look, but it's all the same options. Okay, so you can share individually with people in groups, or if you want to share the link to that item, you can use the bottom box here. So if I wanted to share this document with Melissa because we're collaborating on something, I just type her name and then it will look in the IRSD directory. I find it, I click her name, and then it's shared with her once I hit the send button. You'll notice there's some other options here. I can notify her, so that would send her an email saying, hey, Jeff shared this doc with you. And then I can also change what she's able to do. She could maybe edit, like directly edit, type in it as I'm typing. She could either add a comment or she could view only. So those are the different permissions that you have there in the dropdown, and then that's how you would share it with another person. Now I'm going to click cancel. And the second box here at the bottom, the get link, this is if you would like to share the link to this Google Doc with another person and maybe embed it into a Schoology page or send it via email or any number of ways you'd want to share it. So if I click the copy link button, it says link is copied. Now you'll notice that there are some permissions at this level. And I'm highlighting it here. It says Indian River School District. Anyone in this group with the link can view. If I want to share this with a parent and the level of permission there is Indian River School District, if I send this link to a parent, they will not be able to view it because they're not a member of the Indian River School District. So that's one of the Google security settings. If you want to share it with parents or anyone outside of the district, you would have to change this to say anyone with the link. Okay, and then once you, it'll tell you the permissions updated. You could copy that link and then email it to a parent or somebody outside of the organization. So that's a real quick overview of how to share a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, or a Google Slides presentation, either directly with an individual person or to get the link to that to maybe embed in Schoology or share outside of our network.